Okay, so this is our hair. Let's see how this is gonna play out. So what I just do is that I just make sure all our hair is going down in the right way. And yeah, so we're going to, let me see if I can turn it this way. That is perfect. So what I do is I make sure the hair is going down the right way, and I just start off by doing a braid, 3-strand braid. So you could do flat twist, but I see that doing a braid gives it a better look, okay, and more curls. You get more curly hair. And I do small stitches at a time. So I'm just grabbing a little bit of hair and just going. So just grab like 2 at a time, not that much. Just grab and just keep on going. So a little bit about Eniola. Eniola, can you tell them a little bit about yourself without looking at the camera?
Oh yeah, sure. So my name's Eniola. Well, that's the English pronunciation if you want to say it that way. I am 16. I'm a teenager.
She can do this herself also.
Yeah,
for those people, she can do it herself, but mommy just feels like doing her hair.
Yeah, I can do my hair myself. It's just that she does it for like her YouTube channel and to show people that have like certain hair types and stuff like that. And I actually do have a YouTube channel myself. It's called Just Eniola, and you guys can check it out for more of me, even though I'm not looking at the camera.
Yeah. So I'm just grabbing more of this, just taking it, and I'm taking it all the way down. You can see I'm holding it, making it sure it's a bit tighter, and so that it can give it the good curl. So I want the curls to fall towards the ends of the hair, so that's why I'm doing it this way. So this hair, we have just a little bit left on here, so I'm gonna just take this, swing it around, grab more of this down here, okay, and then let me make sure I'm sitting down here. And this is how people used to do YouTube video in the past. In the past, we never set up the ring lights, we never set up all the lights, we just have fun, you know. So once I'm done, I just do simple braid on this, like this, simple braid. And usually I'll get like a rubber band or something. But do you have a bobby pin?
No.
Okay, so I'm just doing the ends, braiding the ends really tight. Oh, look at the dogs. The dogs outside. Okay, so once we're done with this side, we'll do the other side. So let's swing around and cue the music, and let's do the other side. We're gonna do the other side. So but before we do the other side, so this is what it looks like. You can see it's just jumbo braid. So we're gonna do the other side.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
guys, we're just gonna come and show you. So you guys, you saw she got it done, and she has a bit of curl going on there. So the longer you keep it, the more curlier it is, but it's just a soft curl, and it gives the twist out, or the twist, some kind of shape or different shape. So I hope you guys like it.